Other new arrivals, how about the 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo hardtop? Cranberry red over black. Numbers matching 350 L48. Numbers matching turbo hydromatic 350. 12-bolt axle on this one. And it's got a new Edelbrock 4-barrel carb because the guy probably said, I don't want to rebuild a damn carburetor. And this is, you talk about iconic. When people come into here, one of the most popular cars are Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
Overall, even more so than Camaros or Corvettes or Grand Prix or any of the cars from that era. Something about the Monte Carlo identifies with the every guy, I think, more so than a Camaro, because a lot of guys had a Monte Carlo that maybe couldn't have a Camaro, or mom and dad said no to the Camaro,
or their mom and dad had a Monte Carlo.
Very true.
Yeah, they were just commuter cars.
I looked at them, and I was taller too, so compared to a Camaro, you just had more room, and you got a lot of car for your money.
And performance.
$3,000 to $3,500.
Yeah.
You got a lot more car.
And you could get a whole lot of performance out of that car, too. It wasn't like it was just a, nothing car. So this one, the red is really, really a great color for the car. And probably, I don't know, black's pretty good on those, too.
Yeah, dark green. I mean,
dark
it's a great looking car. Great proportions. And they're often the platform for modifications and stuff. This one has the numbers matching engine, which is great.
Sure.